this is a tough bit of wood that the splitter wouldn't split. So we're doing what we can with the chainsaw. Oh. I don't even think that'll split. We'll see. Yeah, here we go with the splitter on that piece of wood we just cut. I really don't think that we're going to get anywhere with it. Well, give it a shot anyway. There we go. I think it's too short now, but it wouldn't cut in its long form, or wouldn't split anyway. Oh, hey! All right. We're going to give it another shot, see if we can actually... Tough wood, very tough wood. Nah, doesn't want to split. We're just going to have to go with it the way it is. Got that bit off it. We'll have a go with this. It's, I think it might be too short. And we'll give it a shot. See what happens. So this is a 5-ton splitter, as you know, and gee, doesn't want to do it. Ugh. We'll throw it in, see how we go. Got another piece. Gonna give it a shot. There we go. We'll see if we can split these. Give them a shot. I think these will split pretty easy. Hopefully. We hope. Well, that's interesting. Popped up. Shouldn't do that. There we go. Yeah. Oh dear. This one might be a bit tough because it's short. Alright. There we go. Oh, easy peasy. Alright. Can't believe I'm doing this. And here we go, a bit more. We'll get this done. That'll be good. There we go. Yeah. No, didn't like it. We'll go this side. Oh, this might be worse. We'll see. No, doesn't want to do it. Try that. There we go. Yeah, I don't know whether you can hear me over the wind. You probably can. But I tell you what, it is so cold. Oh, it's like it's being blown off the Antarctic today. It is just so cold. It looks like a summer's day. But it's not. It really is cold. Yeah, I just thought I'd get out, go for a walk, and it looked like the clouds were burning off because we've been hiding away for a couple of days, and it looked like the clouds were burning off. Get out, get the steps in, you know, and oh, I'm paying for it. Now, have I mentioned it's cold? Oh, dear. Oh, gee. It's so cold and windy. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell. Very important you hit that bell. Okay, and we'll wait for the wind to die down, and we'll catch up in our next video. See you then.